Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Fun Zone. To begin, open your Amazon shopping application or visit the website. You can easily find the Fun Zone by searching for it directly in the search bar or by looking under the Programs and Features section. It's a dedicated area filled with exciting games and contests. Just make sure you are logged into your Amazon account to access all the fun and start playing right away. Once inside the Fun Zone, you'll discover a wide array of interactive games and activities. There are daily challenges like Spin and Win where you can try your luck, and quiz time to test your knowledge. Keep an eye out for special event-based games that often appear during holidays or major sales events. Each game offers a unique way to engage and potentially win some fantastic prizes, making your shopping experience even more enjoyable. The best part about the Fun Zone is earning rewards. By winning games, you can accumulate Amazon Pay balance, receive valuable discount coupons, or even win specific products. All your earned prizes are stored in the My Rewards section, where you can easily track their validity. When you're ready to shop, simply apply your rewards during the checkout process on eligible Amazon purchases, turning your gaming wins into real savings on your favorite items. To truly maximize your Fun Zone experience, consistent participation is key. The more you play, the higher your chances of winning and uncovering new, exciting games. Always take a moment to read the rules for each game. This ensures you understand how to win and how prizes are distributed. Don't forget to share your achievements with friends and invite them to join the fun, making it a more social and rewarding experience for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.